Hello guys, how are you? It's Goli. Today we want to see how we can install and download Pycharm for Windows. Just simply we can write download Pycharm in Google, and the first link, which is from JetBrains. So you can see here Windows, Mac, Linux for different operating systems. So then there are two different version, professional and community. So we will go for community because it's free, but for professional, so you have to pay. And here we can just click on download, but because I have already downloaded, so I will just open the pycharm.exe here and then run it. So here you should right click on yes, next, and here you can see the folder for destination folder for installing. Just next, and yeah, I would prefer to have a desktop launcher and create associations with Py. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, you can do that or check or uncheck it, but this is really important, so you should add it to the path of your machine, your Windows. And then start menu is okay. So after installing, it asks you for reboot now, or I want to manually reboot later, so I prefer reboot it later. Just finish, and you can see here we have Pycharm. Let's open it, and you can see Pycharm community. And here you can see light mode or the dark mode, so I prefer dark mode. And there are some plugins, you can install them, but for here I will skip them, so because you can already add them later. I want to just run the Pycharm, and we should introduce the environment. So here you can see there are open projects, you can clone from Git, and new projects. So we will go for a new project, and the location by default is here, but you can change it. And here you can see for new project you can choose a new environment or use a existing interpreter, but it's pretty good that for each project you have a virtual environment. So we will create it. So now this is the environment for Pycharm, and this is our Python project. This is the external libraries, and this is the main file. For creating main file, so you can just simply click on the project, write and Python file, for example test.py, and you will it will open for you new window, new file. And just for test we can write print hi, and for the first time when you want to run it, so you should click right and here run test, and you can see here hi is here. So it's really simple to set up a Pycharm, and then we will continue with further videos how to start programming in Python. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe and like my videos and channel, and thank you. See you.